Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny in the Junk Journal Ministry, and today I have a project from Merisa Lerin. This is her printable kit over at digitalscrapbook.com, aka Pixel Scrapper, and today I have a hybrid journal for you. It is a wraparound cover and it has just the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. This is for the month of December. I have just a little cute tag here. This kit, again, is by Merisa Lerin, and this is December's Good Life kit. I love the little mouse. I did add some junk in here, but it is still considered to be a hybrid, you could say. It's not necessarily a junk journal. It is a journal. It has have junk in it. It's made from items that we would consider to be maybe junk. I have some old vintage music paper. And then the rest is basically just some tags that I had in my stash out of craft cardstock, sorry. And then the rest, I do have some, just some cute little playing cards and things like that from just old game pieces. I do have some recycled Christmas cards. Super excited. There's plenty of room to write in this journal. There are some recycled envelopes in here as well. I just made some really cute cluster tags and added the journaling cards from the kit. I love these this moment. You can keep a record, especially if you're doing December daily. Each page is a pocket. Side loading. I did add some lunch bags to give it that junk journal feel. This is Marisa's mixed media papers. You can't really tell probably the colors on camera, but it's perfect for writing on. She has all these little elements this time, and these are pockets as well. I did add some little photo frames in here and just some clusters. I did add a piece of looks like a vintage type piece of paper with a tag up there. So like I said, I did try to give it the junk journal vibe, but I would consider it to be a hybrid journal. It's a little cluster of her kit here. Look at these little stocking paper. I think these are so super cute, little stocking clusters paper. The papers are super cute. Like I said, I did mix the mixed media papers on the back side because I can journal, you know, on there, add photos. Here's another repurposed Christmas card. Envelope there. And this is the center of the journal. I do have the strings down in there covered up. Some journaling cards from the kit. There was some washi and some stickers from the kit as well. There's all kinds of pockets all throughout. As you can see, each page is a pocket. And again, I have the back side of those bags, lunch bags. Just create some cute little clusters. A little tuck there with the flower to hold this one in. Because when you're turning this, you know, all this is flapping. So, wanted to make sure that that was tucked in. I love this paper here. A little squirrel. It's so super cute. And I can write lists on these journaling cards. I can do my December daily, whatever that I want. This is the back of the Christmas card. I kind of wanted to cover up and collage all that information. But, you know, I love this paper. Look at the little critters. Aren't they just super cute? And then I created, some of the journaling cards look like pockets to me. So I just created a pocket. There's a leftovers and a tag that the person can actually decorate themselves, embellish. This is one of the journaling cards that I turned into a pocket. So it's a super cute kit, super cute papers, and with the little critters and things like that on them, the little trees. It's really cute. So if you're looking for a cute papers to go along with your December daily, I did put, this is 110-pound cardstock. It has been dyed, of course, a pinkish color. I figured it went well. This is Marisa's mixed media papers that she did, and I just love the way that it looked. So that was my cover. So check it out. I do have a velvet suede or velvet ribbon to go around it, to tie around. So check out the links down below where that you can get your free printables, and where also that you can check out Marisa's kit if you want to make a journal or make some paper crafts with those lovely little critter image pages, or the mixed media pages as well. Okay, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you are busy crafting, doing some December dailies out there. I know that's really popular going on right now. Have a safe and wonderful holidays. Bye, everyone.